let's start with Alfresco itself. The main reason why we invested in Alfresco was the management team. It's something that we found very, very compelling. We think it's a very outstanding team, especially with the two founders, and we're very happy and very proud to have the privilege of backing this team and working with them in building this company. In addition, we felt that Alfresco has a very strong position in the market in terms of community. It's a well-recognized community, company itself, and Alfresco as a project is well recognized in the enterprise content management, as well in particular in the open source community. And then finally, we felt that frankly, the commercial traction the company has is very compelling in the open source space. In addition, it really goes back to how we view open source, mostly as an alternative business model. And in this case, the enterprise content market is something that lends itself very nicely to this business model. It's a market that is characterized by a well-known, well-understood category where customers understand that they need an enterprise content management and web content management system. They understand what they need, so they can actually go out and evaluate it themselves. The net result is most players actually don't differentiate from most of the needs in this market that much anymore. So it's a market that's being commoditized, which lends itself very nicely to an approach like an open source approach, where you have customers basically being able to look for a solution themselves and start working with the company, and therefore creating costs on the company side, very late in the project where they've mostly really made their decision. So it allows for a very efficient sales model. And to us, being able to set up a very efficient sales model is the core element of the open source approach. So in the terms of Alfresco, it's a combination of a very attractive market to establish a disruptive model such as open source, and the company itself and the founders.